Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given nested radical problem with indices 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and let's focus on this radical part. And here I have copied it down. Whenever we have this kind of scenario where we have these kind of nested radicals, so we just multiply out all these indices 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. So our answer is going to be a simply radical of a with index when we multiply out these numbers 120. And now you might be wondering how this could be possible. So let me go ahead and give you a brief explanation. And now let's recall this rule when we have nth root of a could be written as a power 1 over n. And now let's go ahead and take another root on both sides with index m on this side, and likewise root with the index m on this side as well. Then we know that this mth root could be written as power 1 over m. And now let's recall this power rule. According to this rule, the right hand side could be written as a power 1 over n times 1 over m, and 1 over n times 1 over m could be written as 1 divided by mn. And this exponential notation could be written as in terms of radical notation with the root of a with index m times n. So therefore we can see whenever we have a nested exponent, we just simply multiply them out, as you can see over here. And here's our simplified answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.